Discovery of a strange bright object. Punctum. What was discovered? Astronomers recently detected a mysterious and extremely bright object in a nearby galaxy called NGC 4945, located about 11 million light-years from Earth. They've nicknamed this unusual object punctum, which means dot or point in Latin. But here's the twist. Punctum is incredibly bright in millimeter wavelengths, but it's invisible in both visible light and X-rays, which is not typical behavior for known cosmic objects. Why is punctum so unusual? Scientists were puzzled because it's super bright in a rare part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Most bright objects in space, like stars or supernovae, shine in visible light, X-rays, or radio waves. But punctum only shows up in millimeter wavelengths, a part of the spectrum between infrared and radio, which is unusual. This means the light waves are all aligned in a specific direction, which usually happens when light is affected by strong magnetic fields. This tells astronomers there may be an intense and well-organized magnetic field involved. It doesn't match anything we've seen before. Known sources like magnetars, supernova remnants, or pulsars don't fully explain its properties. So, this might be a new class of astronomical object. What could punctum be? Right now, astronomers have a few working theories. Theory description: why it might fit, why it might not. Magnetar, a type of neutron star with extremely strong magnetic fields. Polarization suggests magnetic activity. Too bright and behaves differently. Supernova, remnant, leftover material from a massive star explosion. Could explain the brightness, doesn't fit the spectrum and structure. Something new, previously unknown cosmic object, explains the strangeness. Needs more data. They're planning to use the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, to observe it in the infrared range and gather more clues. Why is this discovery important? It challenges what we thought we knew. If punctum doesn't fit into existing categories, scientists might need to revise their models of how stars evolve and die. It could represent a new class of object. Just like when quasars or black holes were first discovered, punctum might open up an entirely new area of astrophysics. It shows how much we still don't know. Even in a well-studied galaxy nearby, we're still discovering surprises, highlighting how dynamic and mysterious the universe truly is. What happens next? Infrared observations with JWST are planned to learn more about the object's structure and energy source. Continued monitoring to see if it changes over time, which might offer clues about its life cycle. Theoretical modeling to test new explanations for how such an object could form and behave.